Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with device information, so we can check both email numbers and a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is basically quite similar to the previous one. Just one digit is different. So it is *##07#. And as you can see, we can enter the certificates, we can check the type, the model, the head and the body of our device. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is this time provided by the Google, and it will open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and also signal level should appear right here. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on advanced view. Now let's tap on the status, and as you can see here, we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Now we can go back and let me show you the last code actually, which will open the testing menu. So the code for it is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone and Wi-Fi information and also usage statistics. So let me begin with the phone information, and as you can see here you can check, for example, the email number, the roaming, the current network, or data service. As you can see, in my case, I do not have this information, but it is because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you will have one, then you will be able to check the information. What's more, here we can run the ping test and tap on the three dots icon. Here we've got more options. So for example, we can view SIM address book or enable data connection. Let's go back and let's check usage statistics. And here, as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of all processes and all apps which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time. So for example, we can check that we've been using the settings for over 22 minutes. But of course, we can change the usage time to the last time used, for example, or app name. It's up to you how you want to sort it. Let me go back, and we've got also the Wi-Fi information. Here we can check the API configuration and the status. So for example, after tapping on status, we can refresh the stats, and here we can check some information just like network state, SSID, or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here also. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.